Welcome to CarCrest, the place where technology, defense innovation, and modern military advancements meet. Today we are taking a deep dive into one of the most anticipated missile systems that is making headlines worldwide, the 2026 AGM 114 missile with an extended 5,000 kilometers range. This missile has been developed with a focus on long-range precision strike capability, advanced guidance systems, and unmatched versatility, making it a major highlight in the future of aerial warfare. The AGM 114 series has already proven its effectiveness over the years, but the new 2026 version with an incredible 5,000 kilometers range is setting new standards in terms of power and endurance. The AGM 114 missile for 2026 comes with state-of-the-art propulsion technology that allows it to travel much farther than earlier versions. With a 5,000 kilometers range, it is designed for deep strike missions and strategic targets located far beyond traditional operational zones. The guidance system is equipped with enhanced radar, infrared sensors, and GPS accuracy that ensures it can lock on to its target even in the harshest conditions. This level of accuracy reduces collateral damage and ensures mission success. The warhead has also been upgraded to deliver a powerful strike capability, whether against armored vehicles, fortified structures, or moving targets, giving militaries a strong edge in the battlefield. Another standout feature is the stealth-optimized design, which helps the missile evade modern radar detection systems. This stealth factor combined with supersonic speed makes it nearly impossible for enemy defenses to intercept. The missile has been built with advanced materials that reduce heat signature and radar cross-section, making it one of the most sophisticated weapons of its class. The propulsion system ensures high-speed travel, enabling it to hit targets quickly with minimal reaction time for enemy countermeasures. The 2026 AGM 114 is not just about destructive power but also about operational flexibility. It can be launched from multiple platforms including aircraft, ground vehicles, naval ships, and even drones, making it suitable for a wide range of missions. Its adaptability means it can support both tactical missions in close combat scenarios as well as long-range strategic operations. This missile represents the next phase in precision strike capability and demonstrates how future warfare is being shaped by cutting-edge technology. With its longer range, advanced guidance, stealth features, and powerful warhead, the AGM 114 missile is clearly one of the most impressive developments in modern defense systems. It reflects the push toward smarter, faster, and more accurate weaponry that can adapt to changing battlefield needs. For defense enthusiasts and technology followers, the 2026 AGM 114 offers a glimpse into the next level of military innovation. Thank you for watching this detailed review on the 2026 AGM 114 missile brought to you by CarCrest. If you are passionate about defense technology, automotive engineering, and future innovations, then make sure to subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more reviews, updates, and insights into the most advanced vehicles and defense systems shaping the world ahead.